Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, the latest smartphone from Samsung's popular Galaxy series. Let's explore its features, price, and what makes this phone stand out. The Galaxy S24 FE has a 6.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you get smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. It's powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the Exynos 2200, depending on your region. Both processors deliver fast and efficient performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. It comes with a 4,500 mAh battery, supporting 25-watt fast charging. You can quickly recharge and stay connected all day long. You have two storage options, 128GB or 250. Both versions come with 8GB of RAM, giving you plenty of memory for smooth operation. The phone runs on Android 14 with Samsung's latest One UI 6.0, providing a user-friendly and customizable experience. The Galaxy S24 FE starts at $599 for the 128GB model. The 256GB version is slightly more expensive. It's expected to be available globally soon, with premium features like a high-quality display, powerful cameras, and smooth performance. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers great value at an affordable price. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.